Welcome viewers. In this video we'll see the program to display two-dimensional array in the C programming language. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic, program to display two-dimensional array in a C programming language. We know that array is the collection of same type of data. Same type of data are arranged in the array. In that we have two types available, single dimensional array and two dimensional array. Single dimensional array means group of numbers, set of numbers, 10 numbers or 100 numbers. Two dimensional array is the having two dimension, that is row and column. It is a matrix format. Two dimensional array is nothing but a matrix, right? So you see that we have the A of 3 equal to, there are 9 numbers are given. So the A is the array name, 3 indicates the row size, and these 3 indicates the column size. These 9 numbers are indicate the matrix elements, array elements, right? So A33 equal to 9 numbers given. It is nothing but a 3 cross 3 matrix. Now we'll see how these elements are arranged in the row and column. So there are 3 rows available. It is named as 0, 1, 2. Row 0, row 1, row 2. Always we start with 0. Row 0, row 1, row 2. Similarly, column 0, column 1, column 2. Right. So the first number 3 is arranged here. That is A of 0, 0. That refers first column and first row and first column. This 0 refers the column. This is the row. That will refer the row size. This is the column, right? So 0 means 1. So first row, first column. The next second number 5 is arranged in 0, 1. Same first row, second column. Third element 1 is arranged in the assigned in the A0, 2. First row, third column, right? So 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. This 0 indicates first row. This 0, 1, 2 mean first column, second column, third column. So after that we'll go to the second row, row 1. This number 4 is assigned here, A of 1, 0. Here 1, 1, 1, 2. So this 1 refers second row. All are available in the second row. In that, this is available in the first column, 8 available in the second column, 9 available in the third column. So 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. That refers second row with column 1, 2, 3. Then we'll go to the third row, A 2, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2. So this first 2 refers the third row. This 0 refers first column, 1 refers second column, this 2 refers third column, right? So like this the elements are arranged in a matrix format. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2. Right? We will see the analysis. We will analyze this. So this number is nothing but a column index. It indicates column index. This number indicates row index. This is nothing but array name. This is nothing but a array element. Right? The 2 is the array element. A is the array name. 2 indicates row index. This 1 indicates column index. Right? So we are able to understand how this 3 cross 3 matrix, how the elements are assigned. What is the row index and column index is clearly given here. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2. That is the assignment of 9 elements in a 3 cross 3 matrix. Now we'll go to the program. First we need to include the header files. The header files are included. Include standard io.h. stdio.h is nothing but standard input output. Here we are using printf and scanf. Then include conio.h, console input output.h header file. That is used for clear screen and getch. Right. Now we'll start the main program. Void main. Open the braces. So hereafter we can write the in section codings. Right. The first step is we need to declare the variables. In this program we are going to display the two-dimensional array. So we need to declare two-dimensional array A 10, 10. So this 10 indicates row size, this 10 indicates column size. Here when we are going to use only 3 cross 3 matrix, but while declaring we are declaring maximum value. This is the maximum number. We can use up to 10 row and 10 column, but we can use less than that also, right? So 10 into 10, 100 memory location will be allocated. In that we are going to use only 3 into 3, 9 elements, but we can use 10 into 10, 100 also, right? So we created the maximum rows and column. You can go for 100 also, right? So we'll try to here, otherwise we can create A of 3, 3 also. What we required that also declared, but here declares 10, 10, right? In order to assign the variable, we have two loops are needed. That is for loop. In that one more loop is needed. In order to vary the row, one loop is needed. In order to vary the column, one more loop is needed inside. So that we are declare I comma j for creating the loop. This m comma n refer the row size, n refer the column size, right? So we need to get the row size and column size from the user. So that we are declare two more variable mn. M we are assign row size, n will assign column size. So this is the maximum number of column, maximum number of row, maximum number of column. This is the row and column entered by the user, m and n, number of row and number of column, right? Now we'll clear the screen in order to clear the previous program. Now we'll get the input from the user. First we are printf enter number of rows and columns. We ask the user to enter the how many rows and column we are going to use. Scanf %d and m and n. This scanf is used to read the data entered by the user. This %d indicates integer type. We are going to get row and column, two elements. So that %d 2 times. Then first one is the row size. Row size is stored in m. And m in address of m, memory location. And n indicates column, number of column. And n refers address of n, right? Now the user enter two values that is stored in m and n. We'll consider, let us consider m is the user enters 3 and n is entered as 3 because we discussed earlier 3 cross 3 matrix. So here also we assume that m is 3 and n is 3 entered by the user. Now we ask the user to array elements. 3 into 3, 9 elements we need to enter. We need to get from the user. Printf enter the elements of matrix. We ask the user to enter the elements of the matrix. So the user will enter 9 elements, right? 3 cross 3, 9 elements will be entered by the user, right? How that elements are stored? See this, we have one for loop is available. For I equal to 0, I less than m, I plus plus. We already know that I what we entered is 3. We entered as 3. So this will vary 0. Then I plus plus means 1. Then I plus means 2. Then 3. 3 is invalid. It will go up to 2. So I will vary first 0. After executing it will incremented to 1. I plus plus. After that it will incremented to 2. Then it will incremented to 3. But 3 is not a valid condition. I less than 3. Less than or equal to means valid. Less than 3. Less than 3 means 2 only. So here the I will vary 0, then 1, then 2. If it is 3, it will be terminated. So inside we have one more loop is available. We have one more loop for j loop. So j equal to 0. Here also we already assume that the n is nothing but 3. Right? So here j will be first 0. It will execute. Thereafter incremented. J plus plus means it become 1. Then again incremented. Then it become 2. While it is 3, it will be terminated, right? So this for loop also, the j loop also executed 3 times. Then it will go to the main loop, right? So the outer loop, first j equal to 0, it will come inside. I equal to 0, it will come inside. J will be 0, 1, 2. Then it will go to the outer loop. Like that it will go, right? How it is varied? I, j. So I is initially 0. The condition is true. So it will go to the inner loop. Inner loop what will happen? First j equal to 0, then 1, then 2. for the cases I equal to 0 only, right? For j equal to 0, then in 1, 2, 3 means it is invalid, right? So I equal to 0, j equal to 0, I equal to 0, j equal to 1, I equal to 0, j equal to 2. So user what we entered, first number will be stored in 0, 0. Second number stored in 0, 1. Third number stored in 0, 2. So this is what we discussed earlier, right? So this 0 indicates first row. This 0, 1, 2 indicates first column, second column, third column. So the first element stored in the first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Here 3 means the condition is valid. So it will go to the outer loop. Outer loop again the I is incremented 1. It will go to the inner loop. Inner loop again it will be executed 0, 1, 2. 3 means terminated. So in this two case also j equal to I equal to 1 only. So 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, right? The third element will be stored in 1, 0, fourth element stored in 1, 1, fifth element, sixth element stored in the 1, 2, right? Fourth element, fifth element, sixth element. That indicate what is that? This one indicates second row. Second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column, right? So it is 3 means terminated. So it will go to the outer loop. Outer loop it will be incremented, I is incremented to 2, right? For this 2 again, inner loop is executed again 0, 1, 2. 3 means terminated. Here also 3 means terminated. See this, the 7th element stored in 2, 0. 8th element stored in 2, 1. 9th element stored in 2, 2. What is that indicate? These 2 indicates third row. This 0, 1, 2 indicates first column, second column, third column, right? The user what entered 9 elements are arranged in this order 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. First row 3 column 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. Second row 3 columns 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2. Third row 3 columns. So this only what we discussed in the earlier, right? So percentage d and a of I j. So this I is 0, then 0, 0, 1, like that it will vary. So the corresponding elements are stored arranged in this order. So there is nothing but matrix element. So now we received all 9 elements from the user that is stored in this corresponding locations. Now what is the next step? We need to display the matrix. So the program is displayed, right? So same for loop we need to repeat. Here scanf, we read the data. Now printf, we need to print the data. Printf the given matrix is. This /n indicates after printing this it will go to the next line. The matrix will be printed in the next line, right? Again here also we need to open two loops, outer loop and inner loop. How we read the data in this order? The same order we need to print the data. I equal to 0, I less than m, I plus plus. Then open brace, inner loop, j equal to 0, j less than n, j plus plus. We already know that this is 3, this is also 3. Then it will print percentage d. First element is 0, 0 will be printed. /t refers between the first element and second element, tapping is there. Some space will be provided. So first it will print the first element, second element with the tab, third element. So this will be completed. So the row 1 will be printed 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 2 will be printed. After 2, this inner loop is terminated. So it will go to the outer loop. Outer loop what we have? Printf /n. So it will go to the next line. After printing the first row, the second row is go to next line, so that it will be available in the, it will display in a matrix format. Then it will go to the outer loop. Now I equal to 1. Then it will come inside. Again inner loop will be executed 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2 with the tabbing. Then it will go to the outer loop, next line, third row. Then it will go to the outer loop. I equal to 2, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2 with the tabbing it will display. Then it will go to the next line. So all 3 rows are displayed. Now we'll see the output of this program. So after displayed, get cgets. In order to see the output, we have get cgets. So after entering the one character, the program will be terminated. Until that, it will wait for getting the character. At that time, we can see the output. Then close the braces. So what is the output here? But first we ask enter the number of rows and columns from the user. User enters 3. This is nothing but m, this is n. 3 is stored in m, this 3 is stored in n. Then we ask the enter user to enter the elements of array what we discussed in the same elements 3 5 1 4 8 9 3 2 7. These 9 elements are entered by the user. If suppose the user enter more than 9, that will be invalid. This program will read only 9 elements. The user entered by more than 9 elements, after the 9th element, that will not be stored, right? So with the output we display that the given matrix is, we display the first row 3 5 1. This is the tapping between first element, second element, second and third element. Tapping is there. After printed the first row, we go to the next line, print of /n. So he printed the second row with the tapping. Then it will go to the next line. So the third row will be printed with the tapping, right? So now it is in a matrix format: 0 0 0 1 0 2, 1 0 1 1 1 2, 2 0 2 1 2 2, right? So this is the program to display the matrix. So in this program we discuss how to get the matrix from the user and how to display, and what is the arrangement of matrix, how the elements are stored in a matrix, the array index and column index we analyzed. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.